Hey everyone, it's Marisa with Sweet Pea Curiosities. I hope you're all doing well. So I just thought I'd come on. I just finished a Christmas junk journal. I just completed it as of yesterday. Took me a few days to get it done. And I just love how it turned out. So this one, I did an altered book, which is something I've never done. I think that's what it's called. Basically, it was a regular book, similar to this, that I just took out, and I just took out a bunch of pages until I kind of created some signatures with it. I did glue some pages together to make them a little thicker, and then I left some kind of loose in here. But yeah, it was kind of fun. Normally I tear out, I get these books. You can see I got this one at a thrift store for $1.99. Normally, I take these, I tear out all the pages, and then I use the book itself and sew in. So yeah, I liked this. It was kind of neat. I've seen it before. I just have never done it. And I thought, I'm going to try it. So that's kind of what I did for this. The book is roughly about 7.5 by 4 across. It does have the chunkiness to it, which I always kind of tend to do, and I like them this way. I like that, what do they call it, gator mouth look to them. I had some material that I just put on the back here, as well as underneath here some material. I used a lot of the digitals, the pictures and things like that. I used, my cat's coming up here to visit. Let me get her down. I used my vintage Christmas junk journal, my slim, that I have as a digital. I don't have one printed out, but I also have my Amazon book that's the same digital here. Just to kind of give you an idea of what I used as far as the pictures and stuff go. And I used a lot of my pieces also of these, what did I call these? Oh my gosh. So I used a lot of that as backing in this journal. I added one of the photos on the front, as you can tell here, and just kind of embellished it. I had an old brooch that I put on. I just thought that was pretty. The side here, the book was black, so I painted it gold, and then I gold leafed on top. I don't know if you can see kind of the shininess on it. Put that on the side. I had a little pendant here that said Merry Christmas, and then just added some gold trim to it. All right, and let's just kind of go in here. So I've just kind of backed it with some of my papers here. And then I've created a little side pocket here with some old ephemera. Here I just kind of have a little flip. I've got a little venom piece here, some words on it. Christmas tree, again, Santa here. Added a little Tim Holtz card. I got these little old tabs that I wanted to use. I found these at a thrift store. They're old tabs that I found. And get one out here. Whoops, there's one. And they're white that fold. And I just colored mine up red. Thought I'd use some of those to make it easier to kind of pull out. That. I have a lot of old, in fact I sold a bunch of them, but I had a ton of old vintage Christmas cards, so I used a lot of that in here, and this was just one of the pieces that I used here. This is from 1954, and I just kind of added those in. I did use a lot of the gold too. I kind of trimmed it around with the gold around the sides. Little pocket here. Added some lace. Here I just made a little pocket as well. I had a little raised Merry Christmas piece. I'm not sure what that was from, but put that there. Added some fabric lace trim here. Here's one of the corner pockets from the kit. This is also from one of my other Christmas kits, my Shabby Chic. I was trying to kind of use up some of my stuff. It was just a little envelope here with a little card, Christmas card. Here's just a little pocket, a little card of Santa. Then this here, this is my Christmas paper, and then this here's my digital, my Christmas birds that I have out there. So I just added one of those on there. Made a little pocket here with these cute kids here. These I found, I opened up my Christmas box, my crafting Christmas box, and I made these, I think last year, these tags, so they worked perfectly in here. Here's another one of the tags I had done. I don't know if you can see that or not. This was from a Christmas card. It's kind of a vellum that I had torn out and put on here. A little pocket here. Uh-oh, look what I just did. I just tore it off. Ugh, to fix that. All right, and then here's this. Wow, this page is just lifting up. I need to fix that. It's one of my Christmas birds. This is that Tim Holtz tape. I just love it. I just got it. I didn't realize that he had it out there, and I just absolutely love it. It's so old and vintagey looking. It's beautiful. This is from my Shabby Chic Christmas kit that I have out there. And then I did a double-sided card because when it comes out of here, you have it on this side. And then over on this side here. I love the old vintage Christmas trees. And then I added some gold in there just to get a little shiny. This is from my fussy cut Santas that I have. Made a little pocket here. This cute little girl. My little trim here with the little balls. This here, again, this is actually, there were long strips, edging strips. I don't know where I got them. I have a whole bunch of different kind, and this is kind of raised the pattern. It's real pretty. And I just kind of cut it out and put it on there. Little ephemera. This here is from packaging that I had, but it's all Christmassy, so I kept that, put that on there. This is from an old Christmas card, kind of a vellum. This here is a old packaging from the 50s that has old, what was the paper called? Kind of some old paper in it. And I just love the colors. It's just Christmassy, so I added that in here. Then I had an old, maybe it's not old, but a bag, Christmas bag. It says no peeking, and I just made a pocket here. Made a little tag here. Then I thought this was cute because I had this card, and it's a drawing of a little kid peeking at the Christmas tree. A black and white. Here's another old Christmas tree, Christmas card. I loved these old vintage Christmas cards that I had. And so I did this here, but what I liked about it is that you can open it up. It has the old tape on it. Journal in there. Another little pocket here. Santa. A little journaling. Here's one of those strips that I was talking about. I don't know who made them or where they came from. It was just kind of in my stuff that I had. This is my Santa, my clip art, my fussy cut clip art that I have out there. I love this Santa. He's so cute. I added some gold around here again. Again, from an old Christmas card that I just kind of cut. It already had this ribbon in there, so I left that in there. I have some tissue paper. I don't know if you can tell, but it's gold shiny. It's real pretty dots. So I just covered one of the pages with that. This is a old Christmas from an old Christmas book. That's music sheets, Silent Night. Again, a vintage Christmas card here that I made into a pocket. A little pocket here. And then I've got a belly band here. I love the gold. It just adds to me so much to it. Just makes it sparkle. I even added some here. I've got another pocket, belly band pocket, another envelope here. Some little ephemera. Calendar. This here was from the original book, excuse me, and it says about Christmas in Virginia, and so I left that kind of there, just put a little embellishments on here. This is from the kit here, the papers, and this is as well. These aren't on these paper pocket. They're separate that you can fussy cut out, and I just put them on there. Had a little gold trim that I put. Some more ephemera. Here's another the other side of that. Here's strip, or the end of it. And here's an old Christmas card. I love this paper. Another Christmas card here. I have an old postcard. I don't see a date on it. Let's put in here. A little bit of trim here. It's another Christmas music sheet. Another little card. This is from a card too that I just kind of cut out. Made a little pocket. Then this here, this was kind of fun. And first here, there's the little pocket. But this was a card, the 2 cards, and they're little frames. So I kind of took it apart, so I have 2 parts to it. And I used, and then I added underneath some little photos underneath, made a pocket here, and then I just left these ones open with that gold polka dot tissue paper. That was kind of fun. This here I just kind of left basic and blank, so you had lots of writing space or to add to it. And then this is the end of it. So there you go. I'm so looking forward to Christmas. I think I'm gonna start pulling out all my Christmas stuff this weekend. I know a lot of people like me start decorating. I used to do it after Thanksgiving, but then I could never really enjoy it. So I think I'm gonna start this weekend pulling all my stuff out. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed that, and I appreciate you taking the time and viewing and watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.